That's throwing me for a loop. That is giving Assassin's Creed Origins. She's off again. I love her. Hey everyone, welcome back to Nia Reacts, and today we're reacting to more Black Swan. Now, one quick question is that I can only find 3 of the 4 songs I've been asked to react to. Someone said Black Swan B-side. I don't know what B-side is, but they linked it with "and I Like It Hot," so I don't know if it's something to do with "I Like It Hot" and I need to watch a certain one, but at the moment I'm unable to find it, so please let me know in the comments what is meant by that. But I do have the other 3 music videos to react to, so that is what we will be doing today. But before I get into it, please make sure that you like this video if you enjoy this content, and subscribe if you haven't already, and also comment down below on anything else you'd like me to know about Black Swan, react to Black Swan, or any other movie, TV show, music, video that you'd like me to react to. And as always, just a reminder that anything that I do in this video is just my pure and honest reaction, and that I do not mean to cause offense by anything that I do. So apologies if you are offended by anything. Yeah. I'm very excited. I've just had a quick look at how these videos start and it looks very interesting. Anyway, enough of the yapping, let's get into it. We're watching "I Like It Hot" first. Come in closer if you think that you can handle me, because I'm looking... I love the filming locations as well. That necklace is a crime. In a good way. In a good way. Ooh. I'd love to do that one day. What would be cooler is if they were driving. I love how she just comes in and slays her verses. Ooh. It's giving Assassin's Creed Origins. I can't put my finger on what the chorus reminds me of. Oh, side profile is T. Here is T. Wow, the quality as well. absolute banger. Oh, sorry. I'll let you finish your word writing. So that was I Like It Hot, and they were serving it piping hot. So the next one is Karma. Let's have a look. Once again, the quality is chef's kiss. Ah, the imagery. Ooh, the fit. Very sensual. Not sensual, but like, you know, flowy. Wow. Transitions and everything is just great.
Okay, 1, 2, show me what you like.
That's throwing me for a loop, that is. Hang on, whoa. Let me just... There's still no subtitles. Wasn't there... Am I like... I can't even speak. Am I hallucinating, or was that in Korean? Or am I just unable to hear? And I'm back into English. I'm very surprised. This is just like an observation, right? But I'm very surprised that they haven't got English captions on this, seeing as, well, to me, they're singing a lot in English as well, so wouldn't that mean that English-speaking audiences are also attracted to the song? So wouldn't they have, like, dual translation? I've forgotten the names already. I'm back. I'm still back in Axon's reaction. Their outfits are very, to me, they're all over the place. Like, these are very like Tool-based, frilly ballerina feel, but the person on the right is like in a tracksuit top as well. And then they've got Adidas on. And then they go to another setting and they're in like the more traditional clothes, and then you swap again and they're back in, and they're in like joggers and stuff on the street. Very whiplashy. Like, maybe this is their intention, but I'm very confused. I love that tracksuit. Or if there's a tracksuit, but that looks comfy as hell, whatever she's got on. She looks very celestial, in my opinion, as well. That was just... I don't know about that. I don't know about that. I just couldn't find a good midpoint, you know what I mean? Just no translation. I know people are probably going to be like, oh, well, not everything's about people who mainly speak English and stuff, but if you're going to flip out of English into Korean and then back out of Korean into English again, like, at least put Korean translation and English translation in, just so it, like, satisfies those sides, never mind all of the other translations that should go into it as well, for other people to enjoy the song. I don't know. I just think that it was quite confusing. I enjoyed the music. Music video was just... I wasn't sure what's happening, if I'm honest. Anyway, with that being said, let's have a look at Cat and Mouse. This is given Tom and Jerry. Aww. Nostalgia. Oh, it literally is, but it's a different type. Or very... I always say ethereal. It is ethereal, right? Or ethereal. Cat and a mouse falling in love, really? Oh, these colours are great. She looks so ethereal. Ethereal. I can't say it. She's off again. I love her. Skirt, indeed. Wow, they all look so beautiful. The pink outfits remind me of what's her name? Duchess from the Aristocats. Right, Wizard of Oz? For some reason. It's like Dorothy, Wicked Witch, Glinda. Maybe it's not. I think... I don't know her name. I'm so bad at names. The lady on the left behind the person in front's elbow. I'll try and find her now. She's gorgeous. The one on the right, she reminds me of... I don't know why, but she gives the same vibes as... oh my god, what's her name? From Greece. The girl in the dance that was trying to get with like an older guy. Oh my god, what's her name? Martha Maraschino? Something like that? As in, like, the cherry? Maraschino? I don't know. She's so pretty. I think they're all gorgeous. It's very Tom and Jerry-esque. I enjoyed that one more than the previous one. It was much more on theme. I really liked the aesthetics, but once again, there was no translation. It was the same as the first one, but like I didn't really pick up on it as much. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please leave a like on this video to let me know that you're enjoying my content and to make more. And if you haven't already, then please subscribe, and also comment down below any other reactions of Black Swan that you would like to see. Please explain to me what B-side is, and if there's any other reactions at all that you'd like me to do, just let me know. Other than that, I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye!